This morning on The Blend, Tracy Streeter with Medical Weight Loss Clinic, and you've brought a guest with you.
I have. I've brought Michelle Binkowski. She is a patient from our Jackson location. She's lost 100 pounds on our Freedom program.
Wow.
And that plan actually allowed her to learn how to shop and prepare healthy, delicious foods directly from the grocery store.
Wow, we're not worthy.
Congratulations, Michelle. That's amazing.
Thank you.
So what made you choose Medical Weight Loss Center?
Well, I knew that Medical Weight Loss Clinic had been in business for 30 years, and that was important to me. But what really sealed the deal was when I went in to have my first consultation, I met with the staff, and I could tell that they were committed to helping me reach my goal.
Right.
And the other thing was using the real food from the grocery store.
Yeah.
A big help.
So, okay, you've lost 100 pounds. Tell me about how your life has changed.
Well, medically speaking, I've not only lost the weight, but my cholesterol level has really improved. My joints don't ache anymore, and I have a whole new wardrobe.
Wow.
Do you have lots more energy, too?
Lots more energy and confidence.
100 pounds. That's practically a Backstreet Boy.
Yeah. And he's off my back.
Okay, so the big question, was it hard?
No, just be prepared. I think just being prepared and looking ahead each day and knowing what you're going to eat.
And utilizing the tools that Medical Weight Loss Clinic has provided you.
Correct.
That's great. Do you have any advice for others starting the program?
I would say to mentally prepare yourself to make a lifestyle change. Go into it with a lot of support from your friends and family, and just
keep
moving
keeping
on.
yeah.
Well, and this is where you come in, because we've talked about this before, that even if you don't have friends that support you or a family that supports you, you have medical weight loss team that supports you and holds your hand the whole way.
The whole way. I mean, we're not just customizing programs for people. We personalize programs for people.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what's the best way to get someone started on the plan?
It's as easy as calling 1-800-GET-SLIM or visit our website at MWLC.com.
Yeah. Have you tried other programs in the past?
Yes, I have, and I've had some success, but not like this.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. And you've been with Medical Weight Loss Clinic for 3 years?
Yeah,
now, I think?
almost 3 years.
That's
so.
pretty amazing, and that says a lot about the bond you create with the team.
Yeah.
And much continued success to
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
Congratulations again. And
very
thank
proud.
you for being here and changing people's lives. We have Medical Weight Loss Clinic's information on the screen, MWLC.com or 1-800-GET-SLIM.